Hello, hello. We are going to the mountains today. Nothing else to do. Everything is closed. Decided to hike this morning since nothing else we can do. Yesterday was really busy calling around, sending messages and trying to figure out what is still open, what is not open, but it looks like all the Bali is locked down. The massage salons are not closed because they are not in that list, which are under the restrictions. Bakamana? Ahmed? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, you come. Terima kasih.
Ya. Minum air.
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 Oke.
Air.
Oke.
Ya. Selamat jalan.
Sampai jumpa. Pagi, Pak. Lahangan. Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday I was thinking about how spoiled we became. Even we've been living in these lockdowns, comparing to this lockdown, which is really strict. It was just like a long holidays, and I was always worried about what to film. Yesterday I was like, come on, I have nothing to film. And then I remembered the time when I just started this vlog, and there was nothing else, there's only mountains to film, and it was absolutely okay. After a while, of course, people said that maybe it's time to show something else because there's too much mountains in my vlog. But anyways, and now maybe it's because I've been filming so many things and I'm kind of became spoiled what I'm showing you. Now accidentally I have to show you mountains again, and it's really uncomfortable for me at the moment, just simply because it's always been a challenge for me. I don't want to show twice something I've been shown already, and that's the biggest challenge. And then again I'm explaining, yeah, but you know, trying to calm myself down and a little bit say that, yeah, but it's a little bit different what I'm showing today, because the day is different, the feelings are different, but it's never comfortable for me, especially when I start editing. That's a really big challenge, because if you don't feel that it's something good, it's really hard to edit. Or when you have a lot of material or a lot of footage, then it's so easy to edit, and I'm pretty sure you're feeling it. Sana. Yeah. Yeah.
Ya, terima kasih ya.
Yeah, makasih. Yeah. Okay, usual distance of 5.25 kilometers done. As I see here, it's a little bit, they cut at the bush. We'll turn around and we'll go back. Still remember the time when I did this trail for the first time. Actually, almost in every detail. That time I decided that it's time to discover it, and immediately decided to go to the Lahangan Suite without any really proper training, with some 15 kilograms of backpack on my back, because I took everything for time lapse. I mean the tripod, everything, coffee. It was pretty heavy bag. And then I even remember where I was stopping. This idea was that I will reach the Lahangan Suite during the sunrise. Finally I gave up on that idea because it was already 7 o'clock in the morning and I still didn't reach the Lahangan Suite. We'll see, can I catch up girls? They probably should be on their way down already, because I think they did only 1.5 kilometer distance, so I did double or even more. So I will try to catch up now. Have to speed up. Wait. I catch them. Pagi gentlemen. Permisi. Pagi Wayan. Apa kabar? Pagi. Done. This sandal's been really reliable for more than a year, but I think it's time to change because nothing really left. They are falling apart. In this ones I did 3 times Agung already and been hiking in the mountains. So it's what is the brand, Crocs. Yeah, I was looking for the new ones in internet, online shops, but since it's lockdown there's no way to get them here now. So I have to wait another 2 weeks. Alright, that's it for today. Follow, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. Here in Bali we don't have only cats and dogs, we have also rabbits who's coming and asking for the food to your house.